What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today is the day you guys have been asking for this review. Here we go. This is the Zugu case for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's get it open, get it on, and see what we think about it. So let's get started. But before we put the iPad in the case, let's do a little bit of real estate. Now, you notice these grooves. This is actually the front of the case. These grooves are going to allow you to stand this case in any angle along this row right here. We'll do that once we get the iPad in. On the inside, you have a cloth-like material, microfiber, very soft. It's going to protect your front screen. On the back, this is a tough TPU type case. It does not disconnect from the front. If you notice, we have speaker ports up here, up top, microphone cutouts down bottom, charging port right there, speaker cutout. You have two buttons here for your volume, your power button up top. Around back, you actually have a holder for your Apple Pencil, and this also has a holder right here on the side for the Apple Pencil as well. If you can see this little cutout, this little groove right here for the Apple Pencil. Your magnetic flap on the back, that's going to allow you to stand this in different angles. So now that we've went over this whole case without the iPad, let's get the iPad in it and see what it looks like. So, snaps in really easy. Let's close it. We got our speakers right up here. Like I said, camera cutout looks really good. It's nice and open. It's actually sitting down in a recess, so your camera is not going to get torn up or scratched up. Now, it may be a little tough to open this case from the front, but Zugu has given us this little flap down here. So this is how you're going to open your case. And there we go. Supports sleep wake. Let's make sure we get that on camera. Got it. So we do support sleep wake functionality. Remember, we got our back here, we got our pouch for our pencil. You can hold it that way, which that is a very secure way to do it. But on the side here, remember I showed you this cutout. This also is a very secure way to hold this pencil, and you are going to be able to do your charging. Let's show you. I'll put the pencil in, Apple Pencil, and it is charging. Easiest way to get this pencil out is to roll it down. The bottom is a little bit shorter than the top. Please excuse my screen, it's a little dirty. But the bottom is a little shorter. You just roll it out. Just like that. Now that we have that taken care of, let's stand this up and see what it looks like in the different angles. I'm just going to open it from the side, lay it down, open up to the first one, go back a few more. Now this is magnetic, so and my table is metal, so I'm gonna hold it up while I do it, because if I lift it, it's gonna disconnect it. It is magnetic. See, it's not coming off. It's doing what it's supposed to do. This is a magnetic case. Now the front has magnets here, and the back, this is magnetic down bottom right there. All in all, this looks to be a really solid case. It's protective, nice hard rubber TPU. It's supposed to protect up to 5 feet when you drop it. I'm not gonna drop my iPad. It's supposed to drop 5 feet and protect it. This front is magnetic. It's not coming off. You actually have to lift up from this little tab right here. It does support sleep wake, supports Apple charging. Buttons are nice. I mean, I like the buttons. It's just like you're pressing on the iPad itself. It's not rubbery. It's not cheap feeling, premium feel. Your camera's nice and protected. You can carry your Apple Pencil 2 separate ways. And remember, it does support charging. You got magnets down here, magnets on front. What more can you ask for? This is a great case all the way around. It's going to protect your device, and it's a stylish looking case as well. And do remember, I will be doing comparisons between this case, the OtterBox, the UAG, and I have a mystery case that may be coming a little later on this week. We will be getting comparisons with all of these and reviews of all of these, and I'll be letting you know which one is going to be best for your iPad, because I know everyone's worried about bending the iPad. I've had mine for a month and I use it every day. I swap the cases out every other day. It has not bent yet. So until next time, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Everest Tech Guy out. Peace.